What if I told you that dividend investing for beginners could completely replace 3 tools you're paying for right now? I'm not talking about software. I'm talking about your time. Most people think you need $1 million to make passive income work. You don't. I've spent years refining a system that turns a standard paycheck into a passive income machine. I stopped trading every single hour of my life for $1 and started letting the world's biggest companies pay me to own them. Today, I'm giving you the exact 2024 blueprint. We aren't doing theory. We are building a real portfolio. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which stocks to pick, how to automate the entire process to save 10 hours of research every week, and the fastest path to hitting that first $1,000 monthly check. Let's dive in. Let's be honest. Most of us are trapped in the more hours loop. You've been told that the only way to increase your income is to increase your effort. More overtime, a second job, a side hustle that feels like a second career. But here's the cold reality. You're trading your most valuable asset, your time, for a paycheck that barely keeps up with inflation. It's exhausting. You're working harder than your parents did, yet the finish line keeps moving. You want financial independence, but the thought of spending the next 30 years tethered to a desk feels like a prison sentence. And then there are the passive income gurus. They tell you to start a dropshipping store, flip houses, or manage an Airbnb. But let's be real, those aren't passive. They're just more work. More emails. More customer complaints. More hours stolen from your weekend. You're not looking for another job. You're looking for an exit strategy. You need a system that works while you sleep. A system where your money does the heavy lifting, so you can finally stop trading your life for a direct deposit. That's where the power of dividend investing comes in. Here is the truth. Most people treat investing like a casino. They buy a random stock, pray it goes up, and panic when it drops. But there is a better way. It's called dividend investing. Basically, you're buying a piece of a profitable company. In exchange for owning that piece, the company pays you a share of their profits. In cash. Every quarter. No matter if the stock price is up or down. Our goal today: a $1,000 per month passive income stream. That's $12,000 a year of pure freedom. That covers a car payment, your groceries, or a huge chunk of your rent. Here is the step-by-step blueprint to build this portfolio in 2024. Step 1, the infrastructure. You can't do this in a standard savings account. You need a brokerage that supports automation. I recommend M1 Finance or Interactive Brokers. Why? Because they allow you to set up pies. You decide your percentages, and the app automatically distributes your deposits. This is how you save those 10 hours a week. No manual trading. No stress. Step 2, the foundation. You don't start by gambling on penny stocks. You start with dividend aristocrats. These are companies that have increased their dividends every single year for at least 25 years. They are the bedrock of your portfolio. They provide stability and a guaranteed floor for your income. Step 3, the growth engine. Now we add dividend growth stocks. These companies might only pay a 1% or 2% yield now, but they grow their payout by 10% or 20% every year. This is where the real wealth is built. You're not just getting a check, you're getting a check that grows while you sleep. Step 4, the secret sauce. DRIP. DRIP stands for Dividend Reinvestment Plan. Instead of taking that $50 dividend and buying a fancy dinner, you tell your broker to automatically buy more shares of that stock. Now you own more shares, which means you get a bigger dividend next quarter, which buys even more shares. This is the compounding effect in action. Now let's talk math. To get $1,000 a month at a 4% average yield, you need a portfolio of roughly $300,000. I know that sounds like a mountain, but here is the trick. You don't need $300K today. You need a system. By using a tool like Stock Rover, You can track your yield on cost and project exactly when you'll hit that $1,000 mark. When you automate the deposits and toggle on drip, the mountain becomes a staircase. Now, you might be wondering how I manage all this without spending my entire weekend on spreadsheets. I use M1 Finance for my automated deposits. It basically puts my Dividend, investing for beginners strategy on autopilot. To track my progress toward that $1,000 a month goal, I use Stock Rover. It's the secret weapon for finding high-quality dividend stocks before they spike. The result? I've built a passive income stream that covers my basic bills while I sleep. No more trading hours for dollars. Just pure compounding growth. If you want to start your own portfolio today, check the links in the description to get set up with M1 Finance and Stock Rover. And if this roadmap to financial independence helped you, hit that subscribe button. Let's build your wealth together.